Meanwhile, Will's over there still trying to not get arrested. You know when that guy is crawling up this hill to go to the backside that there's something going on. Meanwhile, Will's over there still trying to not get arrested. I don't think Will would do good in jail, so let's root for him to get out of this ticket. Yeah.
What happened, Will?
He's got a 4-seater Pro.
I had my registration.
I knew it was going to happen.
Before coming out here,
and that belt, to change that belt, it's got like aftermarket seats.
He got pulled over.
We were parked and he got pulled over.
Yeah, how are you going to get pulled over when you're parked, bro? What is up with that, man?
Oh, gotta have your registration.
I do have it.
Oh.
He does have it. He does have it.
What?
Oh.
Yeah, literally, I just stopped to make sure everybody made it okay.
Absolutely.
If I'm nice to everyone else, then hopefully I get that.
Oh, totally. Yep. Will made it out safe, you guys. So now we're gonna go back and figure out who blew a belt and go help them. So.
I don't know if Krista said this or not, but I'm gonna say it again just in case. So we found Aurora and Tracy and other Tracy and Matt and like 50,000 other people that are friends, and they got lost from the beginning of the group ride. I had a camera in her car and everything, and I was like, damn it, she didn't get no freaking footage. But it's okay. So now we're gonna go back and try to find Tim and Amanda because they're broke down somewhere. So I'm gonna go and try to find them really quick.
There's coldness there, there's karma. There's heat, there's flames, there's lava. Volcanic, what can we do? It gets manic. I know what I'd rather. When I pick up the mic, is power. When I pick up the mic, got powers. When I pick up the mic, is power. When I pick up the mic, got powers.
Blown belt strikes again.
Always a culprit.
Always. Get you every time. Segway sent me a super villain, so I don't have to change my belts anymore.
Always gonna get loaded up.
Okay, I don't know if you got that or not. I think Krista's got it, but Man, that's an 11-year-old girl, guys. 11-year-old girl.
You got Aurora in one RS1, and then you got Mason in the other one. He stepped up from near 200.
How old is Mason?
I think Mason's like 10. He's the same age as Aurora.
Like, these are kids, guys, so it just goes to show you that, and I think it's the best time to learn is when you're a child. Unfortunately, we didn't have sand dunes where I grew up, and I didn't even know they existed in America until a few years ago. So to see that those kids are doing it makes me so excited, because I know one day my son is going to be doing that too, and I hope that he wants to do it. And yeah, so we're going to go back and grab my son. Speaking of him, he's actually our son, believe it or not. And yeah, so we'll see you back at camp, Pig. Tig just pops off the top of everything. Will tried to make it up that hill, which is a very tall climb. What do they call this, competition hill? I think they do.
We call it China Wall, but it's not China Wall.
Yeah, it's one of those very steep climb. Not as tall as China Wall, but it's a climb. You're definitely using your power.
It's our China Wall.
Y'all, yeah, it's our China Wall, Utah's.
We on a mission now. We serving robots, taking no shots, see the vision now. It's from the ground up with the rounds, so now we in and out. I see no limits, counting digits, it's no backing now. Check the jet, we cashing out. Watch me rise, take it to the top. Wake up grinding, it never stops. Silent moves, still I'm shaking blocks. Moving mountains just to kicking rocks. Fast lane, no rear view. By now, know what we do. Locksmith, I'm locking in. You know it's no excuse. LIFT, up we go. Don't know how far we go. Breaking chases and train. You see me second tone. Holy G, been a long little minute. 10 whole weeks on the go, straight in it. Still a lot of sleep. Wake up 6, get to winning. Ain't know I had this engine till I came to epidemic. Lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Sky limit, no limit. We gone. So high, stay fly. We on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. Sky limit, no limit. We gone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Never beg, don't have begging friends. Set the tone, we set the trends. They don't wanna see me win. Prayed on my downfall like many men. Way back when shit I began. Since they won't take no offense. Live how I wanna live, move how I wanna move. I don't mean to come out rude. You know you can't fill these shoes. Through the month of bigger thing. Do a lot to took the scheme. Felt it on the medicine. Every scar a testament.
We made it back to camp safe. So now I gotta go find my baby.
I don't even know if I said anything to you guys on the last time I pressed record, but if I didn't, I'll add this, and if I did, then yeah. So we made it back. We ended up going out having a fun little rip after we already had a fun group rip, and then yeah, man, this has been a great Saturday. It was funny because I had a lot of friends that were just like, oh, I'm not coming because it's raining and snowing, and blah, you know, and they're all crying and stuff, and I'm like sitting here staring at the most beautiful day I've ever seen in Little Sahara, 60 degrees, perfect temperatures. I wish the sand was a little less wet, but it's not bad. By the way, guys, these new Bigfoot Packard HOs that I'm running, half the cost of STUs, and they dig. They are so much better than my Blackbirds. Now, don't get me wrong, the STU Blackbirds are amazing. It was a great tire for this car on stock power with a tune and a clutch kind of thing. But when you put power to these things. The Blackbirds were just not enough, so I did go ahead and step up to some 34s. Those were 32s, but they measured out to be like 33s. And so I've got 18 paddle Packard Bigfoot HOs for, I guess it's high output. So I'm digging them. If you've got a Turbo Pro R and you're trying to search for tires without spending thousands of freaking dollars, I would say go with those. And I can get you those. I'm also a deliver STU as well. I can get you some STUs also. So just let me know, guys. I'd love to hook you all up. Other than that, man, my friend has been making us a brisket, and he is very good at cooking. So I think we're gonna go enjoy some brisket really quick, and then maybe do a little sunset action. So we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Okay, you guys, I gotta catch you up because last video we left you on a cliffhanger, and was it Chris? Somebody was like, what's the surprise? So I can't leave you guys hanging, of course. And yes, the surprise is back. We officially have the chalkboard back in fancy. So for all the OG subscribers, when we had Misty and we're traveling in Misty, we had our chalk refrigerator. Well, I didn't want to paint the refrigerator because it's really nice. So we're in Miles's room and we've got the chalkboard here now. There's Jonathan and baby Miles right there. Hi, baby Miles. Oh, it's not, there we go. Hi. Hi. So it's right here in Miles's room so we can write all of our adventures. I already got Glamis on here, the Mint 400, and then we've got a measuring tape so I can also measure Miles' height as he grows. I just need to find some kind of like permanent paint marker for his height so it doesn't get erased with chalk. But we need to add Little Sahara because we were there for Easter. So I got my good old chalks here that my sweetest mama dear gave me for the baby shower. We're gonna write Little Sahara. All right, we officially have Little Sahara for Easter weekend 2025 on the board. Woohoo! So yeah, now we got the chalkboard back so we can write down all of our adventures and Miles will see them right in his room.
Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed our Little Sahara Easter series. I know it's kind of a little bit all over the place. The weather kind of slowed a lot of the recording down and a lot of the things we wanted to do as far as riding. But we just wanted to tell you guys we appreciate y'all so much. We're literally about to go to St. Anthony's for our first time of the year. We're so excited about it. It's my favorite dunes. Glamis is great and all, but St. Anthony's the flow is just, it's next level. So I'm excited about that. You may not see that video. I don't know if you'll see that next or if you're going to see the supercharger video. We sold another supercharger, another Packard supercharger, and we're going to install it and build a car for a customer. He said he wanted a little bit more power to get up the hill, and we're going to give him a lot more power. So I don't know if you guys like the shop build videos or not, but I like doing them, and maybe somebody likes watching them. Either way, it's still a core memory for us that we like to enjoy watching and reminding ourselves of what we've done. Yeah, so shout out to all the people that sponsor us and let us be an ambassador for them, and we cannot wait. We got Invasion coming up, we have Takeover coming up, we have so many fun things happening because sadly the dune season for all you guys in California and Arizona, it's over with, but for us it keeps going and we're excited. We got a whole year of fun things happening. So got to keep working on my editing style. I want to keep you guys interested. I don't want to be repetitious with our videos, but sometimes it's just hard. It's hard to come up with new ideas, work 2 different jobs, and try to edit videos and everything else all at once, and still try to push out 8 videos a month. It's a lot. But I guess we'll keep on going and push out as many videos as we can. We're getting into our busy season, so things get busy around here in May for our RV park. So anyways, thank you guys so much. See you later. Love you. Bye.